Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and today we're diving into a topic that's absolutely crucial for anyone looking to build an online presence: content management systems. Whether you're a blogger, entrepreneur, or just someone with a passion project, selecting the right CMS can make or break your online journey. In this video, we're going to talk all about the world of CMS options and help you make an informed decision on which CMS is right for you. We'll discuss the strengths and weaknesses of some popular CMS platforms, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which aligns best with your website goals and needs. So if you're ready to embark on the CMS journey, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay updated on all things website related. Let's get started. So what actually is a content management system, otherwise known as a CMS? CMSs are essentially software applications or platforms that enables individuals and organizations to create, manage, and publish digital content, typically for websites and online applications, without needing extensive technical expertise. Some key features include content creation, where users can easily create and format content using text editors, media upload tools, often with WYSIWYG editors. WYSIWYG as in what you see is what you get editors. CMS store content in a really structured manner, offering using databases, making it easy to organize and retrieve information. CMSs allow multiple users with different levels of access and permissions to collaborate on content creation and management. A lot of CMSs offer version control features, enabling users to track changes and revert to previous versions if they need to. And users can select from various templates and themes to design the appearance of their websites without needing to code from scratch. Some CMS also provide built-in tools and plugins to help optimize content for search engines, thus improving your visibility in search engines. And CMS often includes security features and updates to protect against vulnerabilities and threats. A lot of CMSs out there can accommodate websites of various sizes, from small personal projects to large e-commerce sites. And many CMSs support extensions, plugins, and third-party integrations to add functionality and features. Some well-known CMSs include WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, and Shopify, as well as lots of others. The choice of CMS depends on your specific needs, expertise, and the type of website application that you want to actually create. So let's talk about some of the popular CMSs out there, starting with WordPress. WordPress is a widely used and highly popular CMS and blogging platform, and it's known for its flexibility, ease of use, and a vast ecosystem of themes, plugins, and resources. So it's important to note the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. WordPress.org and WordPress.com are two different platforms, but they use the same WordPress software. WordPress.org is self-hosted, which means that you're responsible for finding a web hosting provider, installing the WordPress software on your own server. This gives you a lot more control over your website, including the design, functionality, and security. While WordPress.com is a hosted platform, which means that WordPress will host your website for you. It's a lot more of a convenient option, but it also gives you less control over your website because you're limited to the features and customization options that WordPress.com offers. In today's video, we'll be going over WordPress.org, but if you want to find out a bit more about WordPress.org versus .com, feel free to click through our videos in our channel. We have a video comparing the two as well. So WordPress is an open source software, which means it's freely available for anyone to use. WordPress provides a really user-friendly interface, often referred to as the dashboard, where users can easily create and edit content without needing to write code. It uses a WYSIWYG editor, allowing users to see how their content will appear on the website as they customize it. And what's really cool about WordPress is that they offer lots of themes and plugins. So themes are essentially what control the look and design of your website. WordPress will offer a wide range of customizable themes, both free and paid, and they'll determine the overall look of your site, and users can install those and switch between themes without affecting the site content. But what's more important is that a lot of these themes you can customize the layout, you can customize the colors, fonts, branding, all being used to make it really unique to your own site. The other thing that they offer are plugins. So WordPress boasts a vast library of plugins that extend its functionality, and these plugins can add features like contact forms, SEO optimization, e-commerce capabilities, social media integration, and so much more. WordPress supports lots of different content types, including blog posts, pages, and custom post types. This kind of versatility allows you to create different types of content, such as portfolios, events, products, and even more. WordPress is well regarded for its SEO-friendly features, and there's loads of SEO-friendly plugins like Yoast and Rank Math that are really popular and really easy to use. WordPress is generally secure. Its popularity has made it a target for potential security threats, but there are very regular updates, and the use of security plugins can also help protect your website. Overall, WordPress can be used for a wide range of websites, from personal blogs and portfolios to business websites, online stores, and even large-scale news and magazine sites. It's versatile, and its extensive ecosystem make it a really popular choice for many website creators and businesses looking to establish an online presence. So let's talk about another popular CMS called Shopify. And Shopify is a really popular platform. Specifically, it's an e-commerce platform, and it enables businesses to create and manage online stores and sell products or services. It provides a wide range of tools and features to facilitate the setup and operation of an e-commerce website. Some key features of Shopify is that it's very user-friendly. It makes it really accessible to both beginners and experienced users. You can set up your online store without any extensive technical knowledge. Shopify offer their own web hosting as part of its service, which means that you don't need to worry about finding separate hosting for your online store. And it provides a variety of customizable themes, allowing you to create a unique and visually appealing online store. And their CMS allows you to add, edit, and manage products and product variants to the Shopify admin panel. It supports both physical and digital products as well. The platform also includes a robust shopping cart system that provides features like abandoned cart recovery, multiple payment methods, and a streamlined checkout process. And the platform also includes built-in SEO features as well. Shopify offers customer support around the clock, and there's an active community of users and developers to help with any issues or questions. Shopify has gained popularity for its ease of use, extensive feature set, and scalability. It's commonly chosen by entrepreneurs and businesses looking to launch and grow their online stores, but it's important to be aware of the associated costs, including monthly subscription fees and transactions, depending on your plan and payment gateway choices. So what are actually the benefits of using a CMS? Some key benefits include the ease of use. So CMSs are designed to be a user-friendly option, allowing users to create and manage a range of different websites and content with little to no coding experience. And this accessibility makes them really ideal for non-technical users. CMSs streamline the website development process with pre-designed templates, themes, and plugins, so you can quickly build and launch a website, saving time and effort. CMSs make it really easy to update and publish content, so you can edit text, add text, images, and make changes to your website layouts without even any extensive technical knowledge. Many CMSs support multiple user accounts and roles, facilitating collaborative content creation and management. This is especially useful for teams and organizations. While CMSs provide ready-made templates and themes, they also offer customization options. You can tailor your website's appearance and functionality to match your specific needs. CMSs often have built-in SEO tools or plugins that help improve your website's visibility in search engine results, making it really easy for users to find your content. CMSs typically have a large user community, active developer communities, providing access to forums, documentations, and resources for help and support. You'll see this especially with Wix, WordPress, and Shopify, as they are very, very popular CMSs, and they have a large active community constantly contributing to issues or new solutions and suggestions. Many CMSs prioritize security and will release regular updates to address vulnerabilities and keep your website safe from common threats. And CMSs can be used for websites of varying sizes, from small blogs to large e-commerce stores, and they can often scale to accommodate increased traffic and content as well. CMSs can be used for websites for varying sizes, from small blogs to large e-commerce stores, and they can often scale to accommodate increased traffic and content. So as well as those advantages, there are some cons to using a CMS. So one of them being is that some CMSs can be a learning curve. They are designed to be user-friendly, but they can be a learning curve, especially if you're very new to web development and CMS administration. While CMSs do offer customization options, they may not provide the same level of flexibility as hand coding or custom development. highly unique or complex features may still require additional development work. Some CMSs, especially when loaded with numerous plugins or heavy themes, can impact website performance, resulting in slower loading times. Regular updates are essential for security and functionality, but they can also be time-consuming. Failing to update your CMS and plugins can leave you vulnerable to your security breaches. And while there are a lot of CMSs are open source and free, there can still be associated costs for hosting, premium themes, plugins, ongoing maintenance, etc. Custom development can also be expensive. And using a CMS can create a level of dependency on software and its ecosystem. Migrating away from a CMS can sometimes be challenging, especially if extensive customization has been done. And over time, websites built with CMS can accumulate unnecessary code, plugins, and features, leading to a bloated and less efficient website. In summary, the decision to use a CMS should be based off of your specific needs and goals. CMSs offer convenience and accessibility, but may have limitations in terms of customization and performance. It's really essential that you carefully consider the pros and cons in the context of your project and technical expertise. So while content management systems are popular, there are alternative approaches to creating and maintaining sites without using a traditional CMS. One of them being is traditional hand coding a website. Building a website from scratch by writing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript manually provides the highest level of customization and control. This approach is often used by web developers and designers who want complete flexibility. SSGs like Jekyll, Hugo, and Gatsby generated websites are as a collection of static HTML files based on templates and data. They are suitable for blogs, documentation sites, and other content-focused websites. Static sites are fast and secure, but they require a little bit more technical knowledge. Website builders like Wix, Weebly, and Squarespace provide an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface for building websites without coding. They are user-friendly and suitable for individuals and small businesses with limited technical expertise. Next up, we have Headless CMS, and Headless CMS separates content management from the presentation layer. It allows developers to retrieve content via APIs and display it on various platforms. Popular Headless CMS options include Contentful, Strapi, Sanity, and Wix Headless as well. For complex web applications, building a custom web application using a framework like Django, Ruby on Rails, or Express.js can be an alternative. This provides complete control but requires advanced programming skills. If your focus is on e-commerce, you can use dedicated e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Magento, or WooCommerce to set up online stores without traditional CMEs. And serverless functions like AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, or Netflix Functions allow you to build serverless applications and websites where you can handle content management and generation dynamically in response to user requests. The choice of an alternative to using CMS depends on your technical skills, the complexity of your project, and your specific needs. Each of these alterations have an advantage and its own disadvantages, so it's important you assess your project requirements and select the approach that best aligns your goals and resources. So thanks everyone for joining me today as we explored the world of content management systems and how to choose the right one for your website. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to give that like button a little love if you find this video valuable. Remember, if you want to stay updated on more exciting tech and web related content, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy website building, and I'll see you in the next video.